Hello, welcome. Today my recipe is butter chicken, a popular dish found in Indian restaurants all over the world. I'm going to share a restaurant style recipe here, so let's move on. We'll start with the marination. I've taken 750 grams of chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. One teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a quarter teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, and salt as required. Mix well and marinate for 30 minutes. Now let's move on to the gravy. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. From the spices, I chose 4 to 5 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cardamom, and bay leaf. Sweat it for a while. Add 1 chopped onion. Three tomatoes cut to wedges. Three cloves of garlic. A big piece of ginger cut into small pieces. 1 green chili cut in halves. 1 cup of water. Two teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. And finally, salt as required. Cover and cook until the tomatoes are soft and mushy. After 5 minutes, the tomatoes are well cooked. Switch off flame and allow to cool. Later on, grind it to a fine paste and our gravy is ready. After 30 minutes, we will shallow fry the chicken pieces. Heat a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Once the oil gets heated up, place in the chicken pieces. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes until golden brown. Once done, create a well at the center of the pan. Place a folded foil. Place a heated charcoal. Add butter. As the smoke starts to appear, cover the pan with a lid and set aside for 5 minutes. This brings a smoky flavor to the dish. After 5 minutes, remove the foil and transfer the chicken pieces to a dish. To the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Pour in the blended tomato mix. Allow to simmer for a while. Add a quarter cup of cashew nut paste. Swirl around. Add half teaspoon of garam masala. Add fenugreek leaves. Add 4 tablespoons of cream. Stir and cook until the gravy thickens. Add in smoked chicken pieces. Add salt if required. And finally, a quarter teaspoon of sugar. Garnish with fenugreek or coriander. Cook for 5 minutes and our creamy butter chicken is ready to be served. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you.